I'm Chantel Roberts, and I'm an expert witness for claims handling standards, practices, and procedures. I was an insurance adjuster for 20 plus years. The Art of Adjusting is a vlog to help professionals and laypeople alike understand a bit more about the insurance claims industry. For the next 2 months, we'll be taking a look behind the scenes of a claims department and the daily activities of an average adjuster. Today, I'll talk about insurance policies and how to read them. There are 5 parts to every policy. Number 1 is the declarations, 2, insuring agreement, 3, conditions, 4, exclusions, and 5, endorsements. This spells DICE for easy remembering. The declarations is the who, what, when, and where of the policy. It'll list the coverage forms for the insured. The coverage forms addition dates will make sure that the adjuster is looking at the correct policy language to adjust the claim fairly. You usually find this near the front of the policy packet. The insuring agreement, which is also near the front of the insurance policy, will state what is and is not covered. The conditions state that the insured and the insurer must do certain things so that there is coverage. Usually these are things such as cooperate with the investigation, file a police report in the event of a theft, and payments for bonds or defense of claims. Exclusions are things that the insurer does not want to be covered, and it will take away coverage from the insuring agreement, but endorsements will add that coverage back. It's important to read the entire policy, as coverages are often added, then deleted, and then partially added back over non-consecutive pages of the form. Coverage forms have a number and an addition date, which are extremely important to make sure the correct policy language is used when adjusting a claim. Some insurers use standardized insurance forms from the Insurance Services Office, ISO or ISO. Others will adapt these coverage forms. Standard ISO forms have a 10-digit alphanumeric format, which helps adjusters, agents, and underwriters know which type of coverage goes with which risk. The letters indicate the type of insurance. The numbers immediately after the letters represent the type of form. For example, a homeowner policy is usually an HO, homeowner policy. The average homeowner has an HO3 policy. ISO and insurers will update their coverages from time to time, thus an addition date is important. The most current HO3 is from 2011. If the homeowner has the most current policy, the coverage form will read HO 000305-11, and it can get more complicated from there. If the insureds have an Airbnb, their base form, an HO3, would not cover it. So they would need an HO 065302-17. The HO policies are known as package policies, where liability and property lines of insurance are put together in one form. Businesses usually have a cafeteria-like policy form in which separate forms have to be pieced together to provide a complete package for known perils. This week I discussed insurance policies and how to read them. Adjusters must read the entire policy in order to fairly handle claims. It's good practice for adjusters to note coverages in the file to document they understood the related coverages. Every claim is different and every insurer has different protocols for handling losses. However, this being the litigated world we're in, see below for some legalese. Few claims go to a jury trial, and picking an expert who has been deposed the most or gone to trial the most may not be the correct expert. Failing to have a second set of eyes on the claim in order to save on expenses isn't always the best way to resolve a loss. As an expert witness and former claims adjuster, I'm sharing my experience in the art of adjusting. Thank you for listening. I appreciate your time.